But when we were launched, we were very excited, and I got to do my first spacewalk. Yeah, bring it up now, thanks. And the point of this spacewalk was actually to test the spacesuit to see how cold I would get. Because a man had gotten frostbite testing the spacesuit on Earth before the next Hubble repair mission. This is Vladimir Titov with Janice. And they're waving at myself and Bernard Harris. That's him at his bottom, I think. And we're just up above the Earth for 30 minutes. And NASA's trying to see if we get cold. We're not getting cold. I'm just enjoying the view. It's great. And then we move on to the next task, which is to move this astronomy satellite. It was a satellite we let go. It's called Spartan. And I meant to move it around with the steering wheel. And as I put my hands on it, it was really cold. Really, really cold. And it weighs 1.5 tons. And we're practicing this because we will do something like that on the space station, the International Space Station, when we build it. But I've mentioned that we see 16 sunrises and sunsets every day. We go around the Earth every hour and a half. And we're about to go into darkness now. When we go into darkness, now space is really cold. It's about 3 degrees Kelvin, 3 degrees above absolute zero. And now in the darkness, it's Bernard's time to do it. And see what he's doing with his fingers? He's let go of the $200 million satellite because his hands are too cold.